All right, so here's a guy with the broken headset again, right? Got this nice green band wrapped around my head. It's keeping me able to speak into a mic today. All right, I know I'll work on it. I'll find something better next time, but we're rocking with the green stripe today, okay? All right, so this time, everybody, we're looking at the future value of an annuity. You say, what is an annuity? Okay, an annuity is you make a payment, not a lump sum, right? The future value, compound interest, present value, compound interest, those are all lump sum amounts. When you make an annuity, it's a payment. All right, so in this case, Tom wants to invest $1,304 a year, and he wants to do it for 19 years at an interest rate of 6.9%. He wants to know what will the total value of the annuity be in 19 years. All right. So the annuity is that's the future value. M is my monthly payment or whatever payment you want it to be. It doesn't have to be monthly, it could be anytime. If you wanted to replace that M with a PMT or something like that, you could do that very easily. Okay. All right, so I'm going to enter the amount, $1,304, interest rate of 6.9%, 19 years. It says payments will be made at the end of each year. Everybody note yourself here. Note right here, okay? The payment always matches the compound time per year, okay? So if you make one payment per year, it's compounded annually. If you make 12 payments a year, it is compounded monthly, all right? Just follow along that track and you got it. All right, right here, I just simply went and entered the formula in, everybody. Let me get this toolbar out of the way, okay? I entered the formula in, and using my cells, let's just click on it and see, okay? So there we go, enter the formula in. There we go. All right, so I calculate it. I am going to have $48,245.09. How much interest do I have? My interest is, everybody check out this, it's my future value minus the payment, which I'm calling M, times the number of years times the number of payments per year. That's my interest, that difference, okay? And you guys, you notice this is something we did in topic 3, DQ1, okay? It's coming along with that, but why am I making this then, okay? Just because I love it? No, not so, guys. Here's why. Because I want you, I want you to use this in your homework. Every time you come across a question asking you for the future value of annuity, you're not going to type it into Alex. You're not going to type in your calculator. You're not going to think, oh, well, I make a mistake. No, you will never make another mistake on the future value of annuity if you use this table and you say, surely not. You just, no, I don't. Watch. I'm going to delete this just for fun. All right. Show you. All right. Suppose I make payments of, let's say, what, $75.15. All right. And I'm going to do it for 25 years. And I'm going to do it every week. How many weeks are there in a year? 52. So every week I'm going to deposit $75.15. Am I going to type this again? No, I'm not. Because why? I heard you. Yeah, Hughes is lazy, right? Lazy. And I want to make it easy, so I'm going to copy, right? How do I do that? Just highlight both these, drag down, right? I'm going to have, whoa, check that out, guys. If I make a payment every week of 75 bucks and 15 cents for 25 years, I'm going to have 150,000 buckaroos. Sweetness. All right. What if I made $70,000 payment at 2% interest for 5 years every quarter? That's every 3 months. How much would I have? All you got to do, once again, is just copy it down. Okay. Just drag it down. You got $1 million buckaroos there, guys. $1 million buckaroos. All right. How much interest did you earn? $68,000. All right. Now you're putting quite a bit of money in, right? 70,000 every quarter. That's $280,000 a year for 5 years. That's a chunk of change, right? All there by itself. All right, guys. So that was so much fun, but I'm going to stop here because I don't want to go too long. I don't want to bore you to tears. So no tears, no sorrow here, guys. We are dipping out. Have fun. I'll catch you on the other side.